My name's Joe Purr. I'm the Senior Vice President of Powertrain Manufacturing North America. I grew up in a very working class family. My dad was a coal miner for 47 years, and one of the things he said was that you have to make sure that you provide for your family, you work hard every day. When you get a job, you stay with the job, you commit to the company. I answered an ad in the Sunday paper, and I started my career as an engineer in Dayton Thermal Products. When I first started, I really didn't know what to expect. I didn't know what I wanted to do when I grew up. I don't know if I've grown up yet, but honestly, I think getting into the job and taking it each step at a time has allowed me to progress after 37 years. I've gone through many different transformations of the company. I was always looking for something more to do. I was always looking around how I could learn more and collaborate with those around you and make things happen as a team. Certainly in manufacturing, it's important to stay very open and learn from everyone around you. It doesn't matter if it's someone on the shop floor or someone way above me. Everyone has perspectives, and learning from that helps you really be a better leader and helps you really understand how to support those around you. If I look at where I started to where I am, I think it starts from your upbringing. And I try and instill that in my kids, that nothing is given to you, you have to work hard for it. If you want to have a career that's exciting, you have to push yourself. And along the way, you're going to have some really fun times and then some challenging times, but each of those are going to help you grow as a person.